Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sign out or unlink OneDrive in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by navigating to the bottom right part of your screen where your system tray is located. From here you'll see the OneDrive icon. Go ahead and click on it, and a small OneDrive window will slide up from the bottom. This is your quick access panel where you can manage all your OneDrive settings and see your recent file activity. Now, to sign out or unlink OneDrive in Windows 11, look at the top right part of your OneDrive window and click on the gear icon. This icon opens up your settings and configuration options. A small context menu will appear with several options to choose from. From the list of options, click on Settings. This will open the Microsoft OneDrive Settings window, which gives you full control over how OneDrive operates on your computer. From here, navigate to the left-hand menu and look for the Accounts option. Click on it to access your account settings. This section displays all the accounts currently linked to OneDrive on your device and allows you to manage them individually. Within your account settings, you'll see your account information listed clearly on the screen. Under your email address, you'll notice an option that says Unlink this PC. Go ahead and click on it. This action will immediately sign you out from OneDrive and your device will be unlinked from your account. Unlinking your PC means that OneDrive will no longer sync files to this device and your local files will remain stored on your computer, but they won't be automatically backed up to the cloud anymore. And that's it. You've successfully signed out and unlinked OneDrive from your Windows 11 device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.